This spun cotton ornament is built from scratch over an armature wire base. Her face is sculpted from polymer clay using a mold. Her dress tells the legend of an orphan girl and a fabled mountain deer. You can watch my previous videos to see how I created her and painted her face, dress, and scarf. This video is a time-lapse of my painting process. I'm painting a miniature folk art scene inspired by an old fairy tale from the snowy Ural Mountains. The story is called The Silver Hoof. It tells the story of a little orphan girl who is taken in by an old hunter living alone in the forest. He shares with her the legend of a magical deer known as the Silver Hoof, who lives deep in the snowy forest. She goes to live in his cozy old wooden hut with her little cat. Every day he tells her the legend of the Silver Hoof. They say that wherever the deer strikes its right front hoof, it leaves behind glittering piles of chrysolite, known to the people of the Urals as demantoids. Here I'm painting the old wooden house hidden deep in the forest. Enchanted by the legend, the girl dreams of the day she will see the magical deer with her own eyes. Every day, the hunter leaves her in the forest hut with her cat, venturing into the woods until the late evening. Left in the quiet, she watches the daylight fade until the snow sparkles atop the pines, shimmering under the cold, steady gaze of the moon. One day, she asks if he would ever try to catch or harm the Silver Hoof. He smiles and tells her he would never hurt the creature. He only wishes to witness the magic of the gemstones that scatter wherever it steps. Here I am painting the deep forest covered in a heavy layer of snow. The girl listens, and every night she falls asleep by the window, sharing her hopes with her constant companion, the cat, who always purrs in agreement. Together, they wait for the day the deer might finally appear. One night, as she begins to drift off by the window, a sharp crunch in the snow wakes her. Standing in the moonlight before the hut is the deer, its silver hoof sparkling against the frozen ground. Amazed, she cries out to the cat that the deer has come. She flings open the door and runs into the cold night, desperate to see the creature up close. As she reaches the magical deer, it leaps onto the roof of the hut and begins to strike its silver hoof, sending a shower of glittering gemstones tumbling down the rooftop. As she watches in awe, the old hunter returns home just in time to see the amazing light show. They stand together with the cat in front of the hut, watching the silver hoof sparkle as it strikes more and more gemstones into the snowy forest. I am now adding the final clusters of gems, painting them as they pile up around the cabin and scatter deep into the dark woods. For her faithful cat, I have handcrafted a tiny figure from spun cotton. I'm now painting it to nestle in the girl's arms, since it never leaves her side. Once the paint dries, I secure it in her hands with a little glue. This is the final scene from the legend that I have tried to capture on her dress. If you enjoyed following the story and watching me paint it on the ornament, please leave a comment. I would love to know what you think of the details and the miniature work. Thank you for watching.